How to share your focus status on iMessage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your focus status on iMessage. It's quick and easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as focus. And now here at the bottom of the focus page, you'll see the option for focus status. So simply go ahead and tap on that. And now turn on the focus status by toggling it at the top. And once that's done, you need to enable focus for each individual mode, like do not disturb, work, or any custom focus modes that you have created, like YouTube mode or etc. Now simply toggle the one that you want to share the status for, and now you need to make sure that iMessage is allowed to use your focus status too. To do that, simply go back to the main settings page, and from here simply scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now from here simply scroll down and tap on focus, and here simply turn on the option to allow iMessage to use your focus mode status. And once you have turned on both settings, when you send a message on iMessage, it will show a small notice at the bottom of the conversation saying the user have silenced notification, and that's it. Now you are all set to let other knows that you are in focus mode and not available for notification. And that's how you can share your focus status on iMessage. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.